Welcome to NeoTech-Lens, where we explore the latest in technology and AI. Today we're asking a big question. Can AI replace humans? Let's put AI to the test with some fun challenges. Before we start, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tech content. At NeoTech-Lens.
If you don't trust AI but love art, then this challenge is for you. First up, let's talk about art. We asked an AI art generator like Midjourney or DALL-E to create an image based on a theme. At the same time, we had a talented human artist draw the same thing. Now here comes the fun part. Can you guess which one was made by AI? Take a good look and drop your guess in the comments, AI or...
Is it time for AI to take over storytelling? Let's see who does it better, AI or humans. Alright, tech enthusiasts, it's showdown time. Today we're comparing AI and human writing skills. We gave the same prompt to an AI writing tool and a human writer. Here's what they came up with. AI text. The sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in shades of violet and gold. Human text. As twilight settled, the last rays of sunlight kissed the earth with warmth. Pretty impressive, right? But can you tell which is which? Drop your guesses in the comments below. Is AI creativity catching up to humans? Or do we still need that human touch for the magic? Vote now and let's get the debate rolling. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun tech comparisons. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. It's time to dive into a fascinating showdown, AI versus human, in a coding challenge. Today we're comparing code written by an AI and a human developer. So let's set the stage. On one side we have an AI-generated Python script for sorting numbers. And on the other, a handwritten algorithm crafted by a seasoned developer. Pause for visual comparison. First up, let's look at the AI code. AI has made strides in generating neat, efficient scripts. It leverages vast amounts of data to come up with solutions that are often quite impressive. But how does it stack up against human ingenuity? Our human developer has crafted an algorithm that's not just functional, but also optimized for readability and resource management. They bring years of experience and a deep understanding of nuances that AI might miss. Pause for visual comparison. Now here's the big question. Would you trust AI to write mission-critical software? It's a tough call. AI can handle repetitive tasks efficiently and can assist in catching errors. However, when it comes to complex critical applications, human oversight is still crucial. So what do you think? Is AI ready to take over coding duties, or do human developers still hold the edge? Let's discuss in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech insights. See you in the next video. AI versus humans. Who's winning the race? Stick around to find out. So can AI replace humans? The answer? Not yet. While AI is super powerful and can crunch data like nobody's business, it still can't match human creativity, emotions, and intuition. We've got the secret sauce that makes us unique. But here's the thing. AI is here to assist, not replace. Think of it like your super smart sidekick. Imagine having a partner who can handle the boring stuff while you focus on the big ideas. Now let's hear from you. Head over to our poll and vote. Do you think AI will surpass human intelligence by 2030? If you enjoyed this, like, share, and subscribe for more awesome AI and tech content. See you in the next video.